Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create MoneyLion account. Now, the first thing you should do is simply open your browser and search for MoneyLion or MoneyLion sign up. It will show you here this page. You just have to click on the first one or the second one. It doesn't really matter. It will open this page to you. Now, here you have two main ways to sign up or create an account. You can use the mobile application and you scroll down a little bit. Here you have the download the app QR code. You can scan this or get it on Google Play or App Store and create the account of yours. Or you can simply click on sign in on the top right here. It will jump you directly to another page. But here in my case, I will click on sign up because I do not have an account. You just have to enter your first name, last name, email, password, and the password should contain at least 8 characters, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number, and at least one special character. In addition to that, you will have to confirm it, and after that, you can simply click on create account, and by this simple way, you can get your MoneyLion account. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.